How to fix Telegram download stock. So first thing you want to do is go to the Play Store and search for Telegram and update it. After that, go back and open the settings on your phone. Go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you're gonna find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Telegram. Click on Telegram here, force stop the app, and then click on permissions. Enable all the permissions here. Go back, click on data usage, and disable the background data, and make sure to enable the roaming data, the Wi-Fi, and the mobile data. Go back and then click on storage. It will start computing, as you can see. After that, click on clear cache like that. As you can see, I cleared all the cache. And last thing you want to do now is just turn off your mobile phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved now. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.